Good morning, everyone. It's Paula. Hey, I just wanted to share with you that today I'm going to show you a makeup application that goes with wearing a baseball cap. So we're staying at a state park and the water has been turned off, and I thought I'm not going to wash my hair and blow dry it and do all that. So I'm going to show you what I do. It's minimal makeup. I'm going to show you from the eyebrows down what I do. So I like to start with my demi correctors because I'm not going to do a full face. And R01, which is, it has red in it, but the coverage is light. I'm going to use that demi corrector to cover up my sunspots. And I have them on both sides of my face, right here on the chin area or the jaw area. This side, they're a little bit darker. Of course, you know, we're exposed to more sunlight when we're driving, right? And I had asked my dermatologist, why do I have more deeper wrinkles on the left side of my face than my right? And of course, it's because we get a lot of ultraviolet rays from driving and it breaks down the collagen. So my lines are a little bit deeper on my left side. And I just go in and cover up. Now, then for my eyes, I'm using 03, which is a little bit deeper of an orange color. The orange cancels out the blue, as you will see. It just brightens up the eye area. And I really like to use my fingers a lot. I guess that comes from years of being an esthetician. But brushes are nice too. Yeah, I really like this color. A little bit on my nose. Okay. Then I'm just going to use a little bit of my candlelit, my foundation. I'll just lightly tap that around my face. I really like to protect my nose from the sun damage that I got from sunbathing years without any sunscreen. Apply that over the demi. You don't have to, but I like to give myself a little bit more coverage. Okay, around the nose, on the cheek area a little bit. I take my brush and just blend it all in with a tapping, stippling motion. We don't want to swipe. And again, you don't need a lot, but this is just blending it all together. Okay. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to use my bronzer for my cheeks and my eyeshadow. Again, you don't need very much. Rub it on both fingers to kind of warm it up. Lightly tap, or you can swipe. But again, we don't need much. A little bit on the nose, on my eyelids, Take it into the crease. A little bit on your chin just to give you that sun-kissed look. Take my stippling brush, blend it out. And if you feel like you have too much on, you can go in with your foundation color, your highlight, just add a little bit, or you can also apply some powder to your face. I think I got a little bit too much on my left side. Another thing you can do, if you want to give a little bit more definition to your jawline, you can apply some underneath, but it's really important that you blend it well. Otherwise, it's just going to look like you have dirt underneath your jawline. Blend it really, really well. Bring it down the neck. Okay. Blending the eyes. Okay. I always do my eyebrows just to brighten up my face and give me a little bit more definition. And I'm going in with my contour color because it has a little more ash to it. My trusty eyebrow stencil that I absolutely love. Line it up. I always start at the arch. Just little wispy brush strokes, because you want more of the color on the end of the eyebrow, in the middle, and then just ever so lightly at the base. You don't want it to look too dark. Look at that. Look at the difference. Just brightens up the face. Frames the eyes. Again, so line it up. I like to use an angled brush. It just gives me more control and more control with the application, the lightness or the darkness of it. Again, starting at the brow point. Making sure you don't bring it all the way down because that will drag the eye down. See, look at that. Huge difference. And then I'll do my mascara and eyeliner. And also, too, today I'm going to use Black Cherry on my lips. And it looks really dark, but it's not. It's a very pretty color. It is a gloss. It's a real pretty purpley color. Get my trusty baseball cap. And that's it. Simple. quick and easy. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll be talking to you soon. All right, bye now.